The sum of the roots and the product of the roots of the equation ax square minus 5x plus c is equal to 0 are same and equal to 10. Find a and c. Now, sum of roots is given by the formula minus b by a, and product of roots is given by c by a. Okay. Now, if we compare the given quadratic equation to the general form, we get a is equal to a, b is equal to minus 5, and c is equal to c. Okay. So now substituting these values and equating the same with 10, we get minus of minus 5 upon a is equal to 10. Now minus of minus 5, so that becomes plus 5. So therefore a is equal to 5 upon 10, that is 1 by 2. Now the next thing we have here, c upon a. Now a is 1 by 2, so c upon 1 by 2 is equal to 10. So that becomes 2c is equal to 10. So solving it, we get c is equal to 5. So we have a is equal to 1 by 2, c is equal to 5. So therefore answer will be option D.